This is Жанна Bugibaevna. Welcome to my class. So today we are going to talk about present perfect continuous. Let's start. So first of all, study this situation. These sentences. I have cooked dinner. I have been cooking dinner. So what's the difference between these sentences? The first sentence is in a present perfect tense, and the second sentence is in a present perfect continuous tense. So if we talk about I have cooked dinner, it means you have finished cooking, and here is a result of cooking. Yeah, you have cooked and you have finished. And in the second sentence, I have been cooking dinner. So it means here you started cooking and still you're cooking there. You're not finished yet. So dinner is not ready. Okay? The present perfect progressive tense. So present perfect progressive or continuous, the two names for the one tense. Okay? Here is a form. Look at the form. Yeah, have, has been, verb ing is a present perfect continuous. So we have subjects: I, you, we, they. Yeah, have or have been auxiliary verb and plus verb ing, or she, he, it has been auxiliary verb plus verb ing. It's a form of the present perfect continuous. So when we use this tense, we use the present perfect continuous for an activity that has recently stopped or just stopped. There is a connection with now. It means the action has stopped now, but this is a connection between past and the present. Okay? For example, you are out of breath and you're asking, have you been running? It means you're out of breath now. So you have been running in this period, yeah, of time. Second example, Paul is very tired. He has been working very hard. So it means he's tired now. There is a connection between past and present. Okay? Study this situation. It began raining 2 hours ago and it is still raining. And we can ask a question. How long has it been raining? It has been raining for 2 hours. So we use present perfect continuous as you see here in the sentence, in this way with how long, for, and since. So with these words, yeah, we use present perfect continuous. That means the activity is still happening, as in this example, or has just stopped. Yeah? Has it been raining? It has been raining, right? The present perfect continuous is often used with words and phrases like all day, week, all week, yeah, all the week, or all the year. Also for, since, just, as well as for actions repeated over a period of time. For example, how long have you been learning English? It means you are still learning it. So I can ask such kind of question. How have you been learning English? Because I know that you're having an English lesson now, and you started learning English before, and you're still learning it. Okay? The action is not finished. Tom is still watching TV. he has been watching TV all day. So here's the apostrophe S. It is a contracted form of he has, not is, okay? Don't confuse it. He has been watching TV all day. So here is a period of time, yeah? All day. With these words, we use present perfect continuous. Where have you been? I have been looking for you the last half hour. We have been working for hours and I need a rest. So also here the word for. We have been working for hours and I need a rest. Every morning they meet in the same cafe. They have been going there 4 years. Note, the present perfect continuous is not normally used with the words ever and never. In this case, we use present perfect simple. Have you ever flown in a helicopter before? This sentence should be right, but we cannot say, have you ever been flying in a helicopter before? So we cannot use this sentence in a present perfect progressive tense, okay? It shouldn't be correct. So this sentence can't exist in English. Sometimes there's very little difference in meaning between present perfect simple and continuous, and sometimes there is a difference in meaning. Okay. For example, I have worked at the airport for 4 years. So it means I have been working at the airport for 4 years. So these two sentences are the same, yeah, the same meaning. But look at the second sentence. Second example, I have read that book about cruise ships and I have finished it. So pay attention, here is the present perfect. I have read that book and here I have finished it, it means. But when we use it in present perfect continuous, I have been reading that book about cruise ships, it means I have not finished yet. Yeah, I still am reading it. Okay, I have been reading. So here is the difference. The present perfect continuous is not used with stative verbs. In this case, we use present perfect simple. So the stative words are verbs, you know, yeah, that we cannot use in a progressive tense, in continuous. Have you known each other long? Not have you been knowing. So we can't use the verb know, yeah, in a present perfect continuous. Also, I haven't liked ice cream since I ate too much and was sick. So we cannot use like this, I haven't been liking. We just used present perfect tense here. So the stative verbs are here, given in this table. So stative verbs are not normally used in continuous tenses because they do not describe actions. So stative verbs often refer to thinking, existence, emotions, the human senses, appearance, possession, and relationship between things. So examples like this: believe, imagine, know, mean, think, understand, be, exist, hate, like, love, need, prefer, satisfy, want, hear, see, smell, sound, taste, appear, look, resemble, seem, belong to, consist of, have, include, involve, own. But some verbs such as be, have, imagine, look, see, smell, taste, think, and others are stative verbs with one meaning and non-stative verbs with another meaning. It means, nevertheless, we use in a progressive tense, yeah? Let's look at this example. Do you have your plane ticket with you? it is what kind of tense it is. Do you have your plane ticket with you? So present simple, yeah. So here the states the possession. So the ticket belongs to you, yeah. Do you have your plane ticket? So pay attention to the verb have. And in the second sentence, are you having lunch at the moment? So here the action means eating, so having. Are you having lunch at the moment? Here's the present continuous tense. Okay. So at the end of the lesson, here is a gap for you to write the present perfect sentences. On the right side, on the left side, you have to write present perfect continuous sentence, okay? Maybe 5-10 sentences for present perfect and 5-10 sentences to the present perfect continuous, okay? So that is the end of the lesson. I think you'll find it very useful. Thank you for your attention. See you next week.